time to remind you that it is not actually all or nothing. You are going to have some days where you can't create, even with all the best intentions in the world. And while I will encourage you to create anyway, because I want you to try to form that habit and to break past the psychological block that keeps you from creating, there will be genuinely some times that you can't do it. You're going to be okay. Those times pass, life goes in cycles, even your stress goes in cycles. Times like this where you really struggle with it, these are times to lean into your identity as a creative. I know for a long time I actually had trouble saying it. I am a writer. I am an author. You may have trouble with it too. I am an artist, not I will be. I am a composer, not I will be. Your identity determines what you do. That's what positive thinking is actually about. It means if you believe you can do the thing, you're going to try to do the thing. And even if you don't always succeed, you have a much higher chance of success if you actually try than if you don't, which guarantees you never will. Lean into your identity as a creative, especially during this insanely busy season. You are a creative. You are. If you have ever put a single word or line down on paper, if you've ever made anything, then that is who you are. You can do this. We're going to make it through together to the new year. You're going to survive. It's going to be all right. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.